welcome back to my channel. My name is Ava, or you can call me Miss A. I'm actually here in San Vicente, Palawan. Let's have breakfast. I'm having tocino or tosilog. So it's a typical, it's a common Filipino breakfast. It comes with meat, egg, and rice. You can actually be creative in your silog meals. Pero I am still a little bit full kasi I worked last night. I haven't got that much sleep yet. Pero I'm so excited that this place is super amazing. Kasi I actually wanted to try something different. I already arrived yesterday pala and um, pagod na pagod ako. I was not able to vlog properly. Pero I did a room tour. So, mamaya makikita nyo naman yan sa video na nag-room tour ako. And San Vicente is actually a little bit closer to Puerto Princesa. The travel time is only 3 hours from Puerto Princesa by van. So I took a van and it was a smooth and seamless ride. And I'm actually glad that my this hotel, Marian's Guest House, and I arranges van transfers and also island hopping tours. So, itong property na to, I booked this via Airbnb. Imagine that this place is actually reminds me of Siargao on its early days. It's like Baler and Siargao had a baby and it became San Vicente because may mahabang stretch ng beach dito where you can surf. It's actually a developing municipality. I think in the near future, it's going to be one of the hottest spots in the Philippines. And Palawan has always been that, really popular for tourists kasi nga ang ganda ng marine life, lush ang nature nila. So, I'm so excited. Actually, this is my first full day. The plans for today is to go to Long Beach. Bisita lang ako ng very quick sa Long Beach and then maybe take some photos. And then also check out the bayan or the town. I actually passed by last night as I was going here and I kind of noticed that it's still pretty remote. It's not really that much developed yet, which is okay kasi you get to experience the place in its authentic form. Raw pa siya. So, ma-enjoy mo yung nature. You'll get closer to nature even more. Kasi wala pa masyadong establishments. But, it's growing. It's developing. May mga buildings na rin na inatayo. And they actually have an airport already. So, if you want to fly directly to San Vicente Airport without having to travel to Puerto Princesa, I think Air Swift offers, or Cebu Pacific has direct flights to and from San Vicente to Manila. But it will be expensive, so expect smaller planes to be a little bit on the pricier side. Pero I'm so excited. I always like to travel to unique places. I've seen San Vicente before on videos, pero grabe. In real life, it's much, the photos don't really give that justice. Kasi ang ganda. It's quiet. Yeah, so mag-breakfast na tayo, guys. And I'll take you to Long Beach later. Change lang din ako ng outfit. And ikot tayo. So I'll just give you a very quick room tour. This is my room. I actually booked this via Airbnb. And I wasn't really expecting that it's going to be that good because San Vicente is still a developing municipality. But yeah, here are my things. I actually haven't settled in yet because I just arrived and they were so sweet because I actually texted them an hour before to prepare me dinner and they did when I arrived. So thank you so much, Ate Mav. You're so sweet. And then comfort room. It's very clean and there's a heater. Hi. But yeah, that's it for the quick room tour. Alright guys, so I'm about to leave, pero ayusin ko lang muna yung gamit ko bago ako umalis. It's so hard to be a content creator, especially for solo traveling. You're your own production team. Right, sige. So nag-cover up lang ako kasi napakainit. Meron. Sige, thank you. Okay. Alright, so I'm here, guys. I don't want to exaggerate, but I think I'm the only person here. It's 8:45 a.m. Philippines time. And, I can see a person from afar, but I don't think we're gonna bother each other naman. But look, this long stretch. Maybe I'm just exaggerating, pero grabe. Super tahimik. Oh my God. Nakaka-inlove. Hi guys, this is day 2. Joke lang. It's actually still day 1, but I had my nap and it was a hard nap, or actually ano na yun it's a sleep already. I took a 6-hour sleep right after I had my lunch, and as you know, earlier today I did a little bikini photo shoot session, which I'm not actually satisfied. So, hindi na tayo umabot sa sunset for that. So, we'll go to Poblacion instead, to the Bayan, where we can get some anik-anik or mga souvenir. Actually, I don't really buy souvenir, but there's this coffee shop called Cafe ? And I'm going there, but I do not really expect that much, especially on a place that is still developing. So, tingin-tingin lang tayo, and magmomotor ulit tayo. So, I'm coming from Agutaya to Poblacion, and it's going to be and the distance is 4 kilometers, so that will take me around 20 to 25 minutes to get there. Kaya, let's get going! And later, dinner ulit tayo dito, or later, we'll also have dinner here in my Airbnb. Actually, I already pre-ordered kasi alam ko wala masyadong mga restaurants dito. So, it's always better to eat home-cooked food. Alright, sige na, gora na. Hi guys! So, I'm actually here in Poblacion town proper, and wala pa talaga masyadong ganap. I forgot to bring my drone. I wanted to show you how the town looked like, pero yes, siguro gagawin ko siya tomorrow pag bumalik ako dito. Ang ganda! Actually, andito ako sa parang ginagawang port. I don't think it's a new port or a lumang port na nire-redevelop, pero ayun, maliit pa lang talaga siya na town compared to Coron and El Nido town. Ano pa siya? raw pa talaga. Dahil pang mga establishments na tinatayo and napakasimple ng buhay. Maybe. Dinner is served. So I'm having like sinigang na baboy and then fried pork liempo or pork belly um, with rice. And let's have a nice dinner. Good morning, guys. It's Batoni Ningning Day. I'm just so glad that I booked this place kasi it's short distance travel and I think it will only take me about 30 minutes compared to coming from Port Barton. So that's actually one of the factors that I have thought of and I think I made a good decision. So let's go. Ang init! May naka-cover up tayo. Hi guys, I'm already here at the Bato ni Ning Ning. And it wasn't really an easy ride getting here kasi last night it rained and the roads are really muddy and wet. Uh, I really had a challenging um, way here. Pero look at that view naman. Diba? Grabe, ang ganda. Ito yung actually yung bato niya. But this is San Vicente, the actual San Vicente viewpoint. Grabe. Amazing. So, ang gagawin ko, magvi-video shoot ako and then mapapapicture ako kay kuya dun sa baba. Bigyan na lang natin siya ng tip kasi ako lang ata ang magiging tourist today kasi normally it gets busy pala during weekends. Pero on weekdays, hindi masyado. Kaya, anyway, huwag natin patagilin. Here are my drone shots in 3, 2, 1. Alright, lunchtime. So, itong sinigang na to, this was my leftover last night and I asked them to reheat it instead along with my freshly served breakfast for today. I actually just got home and grabe ang pagiging proactive nila dito kasi on my way back, they already messaged me what to eat, what I wanted to eat. So, yun, pagdating ko, serve agad. And sobrang init na naman, grabe. Actually, yung way ko pabalik kanina was easier kasi the mud has already dried up and hindi na siya ganun kalalim. Pero nadudulas pa din ako eh. And then medyo slippery pa rin yung road. But thank goodness I survived that because gumigayawang talaga ako. there were a few attempts that I thought I was gonna fall, and I was actually kind of expecting that I'll be all muddy. But yes, the upper body strength na save ko ang sarili ko sa pagyawang-gewang, and dahil doon, nakakagutom. So, breakfast time. Ah. Yes, I have always Yes, I always Good morning, Ning. Island hopping day today. Sama ka? Why are you being so grumpy? Is it because the food that I fed you last night wasn't enough? Sama ka na. Yay! Wow, sarap naman ng breakfast. So, today, this weekend is Continental Breakfast Day. Thank you, Te. Thank you. Hey guys, so we're here at Turtle Island. Pero actually parang walang turtle. Nakita nyo naman sa may video, parang wala. So, tatrabahuin mo talaga. Kaya buti na doon sa tako. So, here, Turtle Island guys. So, siguro tayo if wala tayong nakita ng turtle. Pero, gora lang. Maybe it's not turtle season yet. And we're gonna be staying here for an hour and a half because the tour guides will have to prepare for our lunch.
Magkano po sa kanin?
Really? Okay guys, so last stop na tayo, which is yung Starfish Sandbar. And actually I've only seen a few starfish and the sandbar isn't really sandbarring. I mean, It's not really, you don't get to see the entire stretch ng sandbar because of the high tide situation. Pero it's all or nothing. I'm still gonna take some drone shots here. And after nito, balik na kami sa San Vicente Port. Hi guys, good morning. So I'm back here in Long Beach, San Vicente, Palawan for an early morning bikini shoot because like I said, on my first day I wasn't really that satisfied. Actually today is already my last day here in San Vicente. I am going to leave now. Actually in 4 minutes or in 4 hours I'll be leaving. So I'm just making the most out of it by just taking lots of photos and videos. And I hope you really enjoyed this vlog. I did this all alone. And sana ma-appreciate nyo kung ano sana ma-appreciate nyo yung mga clips na ginawa ko, guys, for my small audience. But all I can say is, wow, San Vicente did not disappoint. Should I come back here? Yes. And I will be bringing my friends. I really enjoyed my time here connecting with nature, and despite of having all these technical or this equipment, mas marami pa rin yung time na nakapag-relax ako and disconnect sa real world. But we have to face reality. Tomorrow is work and we have to leave. Palawan na din. And the hotel that I stayed is at Marian's Guest House, if you want to know. And then I took a flight from Manila to Puerto Princesa to get here. But there are direct flights, like I said. So thank you so much, guys. And see you again on my next travel vlog. Bye!